Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Vidu AI and I will just give you a complete tutorial. So this is the website here. You can just go to Google, look for Vidu AI and here you will come to this, right? And once you're here, you have to just go and click on try video, which is on the top right. You can just use your email address to sign up here. It's really easy and you can just do it very fast if you use a Google account. And once we're here on the top, you will see a lot of options. You have to go and click on create video. You can use it for the free for the 80 credits, and after that you have to buy a subscription of it. And we have to just go and click on create video, and here this is the latest feature, right? And they have upgraded some feature which I will show you. Right, so here you can just do image to video. You can create a consistent characters and you can just create a directly a video too. So here this is an image to video, this is a reference to video, and this is a text to video. So we will just go one by one here. This is text to video. I mean, I will just give the prompts here and automatically it will just create a video for me. Okay guys, so here I have just give a prompt here, a lady walking on the street in the Tokyo night. I didn't give the camera angles and something. You can just create your own enhanced prompt here. So if I just go and click on enhanced prompt, it will just create an enhanced prompt for me, right? And make sure you just turn this on, so creatively Vidu AI will just add something on their own. So here just go and click on create and it will just create. So you have to just wait here. Alright, so this video created a little bit in too fast because I think it took around 10 to 15 seconds to do this. And let's just play this video. So as you can see here, this is perfectly nice, but the quality is not perfect, right? And it is around of 4 seconds, right? I can speed up, and if I just play in full zoom here, you can see that the quality is not consistent. But of course, we can upscale this. We have this option of upscale. If you want to go and create more prompts here, you can do this. If you want to change the timing, for example, if you want to go for the 8 second, you can change the speed, and this is general and this is for the animation. So I will show you the animation later, but let's just work on general here. And I will just go and click on upscale here. It will consume more 4 credits and it will create here the upscale version of the same video. And let's play it right now, and you can see the quality is a little bit more good here, the upscale, right? And let's just see the first video here. Of course the quality has improved a lot. Right, now let's go to the reference to a video. So here you can just drag an image here. So I'm going to add this image here, click on open, and the image will be uploaded here. Now you can just add a prompt, for example, right? So I just gave here some prompt here and I will just click on create. So now let's just play this video, and it's not exactly what I'm looking, but of course you can see if I just go and upscale this up, and here in the upscale version it's a little bit better, right? But if you're thinking that why it's not exactly that how the image is, because if you see that this is a reference to video, it means that it will just take a reference from the image, and then you can just add your creativity. It will take it from the prompts and then it will make a video. But if you want to go for the image to videos, so now let's upload our image here, and then we can create a video, right? So here we don't have to add any prompts because it just works like this. If you want to add, you can add. And now you can see the results, right? Now it's really good and exactly what we are looking from the image, right? And this is really perfect. We can upscale this and we can also re-edit this if you want. So these are the best thing you can do here in the Vidu AI. But if you will just go and click on the settings, right, you can change up to 8 seconds, and you can also change the quality. But if you're looking for the animation, that is only available in text to video here. For example, if I just go to the general and go to the animation, I will keep the same prompt, which is the first one here, and let's create this up. And now you can see the animation. Wow, this look really perfect, just like in the anime. And after the upscaling, it will look much more better. And in the upscale version, this just look really like an anime, right? So of course, if you compare this audio quality from the Luma AI or from any other text to video creator, of course the quality and the this is a little bit different at how they create a video, because it's all depend upon the data set they are working on, because Luma is working on a different set of data, different algorithms. Same goes for Vidu AI, but this is still in the developing stage. So of course it will just add more value if you just keep using it, and after a few years. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.